Let's go golfing. Let's go golfing. Let's go golfing. Let's go golfing.
Welcome to the vlog. Don't know what vlog it is, but it will pop up somewhere here where I'm pointing and it will follow my finger nose. But yeah, anyway, if the media sounded muffled, it's because I lost my medium in Spain when I went there. You'll see on the last 2 vlogs or. Said we're waiting for KB. It's TJ, yeah. Let's see, one sec. Hello.
Yo, what time do we give it realistically though?
Bro, my man's talking about in 30 minutes and that, bro, but it's right being an hour. So I messaged him, yeah. I said, yo, come on, killer, bro. Like, how long? My man talking about. You listening? You're on the camera, by the way, because I was just doing a little intro. But my man's talking about he's in chicken run.
He's in chicken run. What's he doing on my side? What's he doing over here?
Talking about he's getting scranned for his Mars.
Bro, alright. Here what? I'm gonna bell him to pick me up now, and then boom, something like that.
He's going back to his ends and doing up his thing. This is what I'm trying to say. So
So you still got shit to do when he goes back to his ends?
So he's going back there to drop off the shit for his Mars and that. Don't know what he's doing then, but my man said realistically he'll be with me in 10 minutes. That's exactly what he said. Realistically, he's gonna be with me for 10 minutes, and that was like 5 minutes ago. So yo, even though it was 5 minutes ago, just count 10 minutes from now and we'll see where I go on. Because no, listen, just wait, bro. Because listen, I've got this on camera for proof, bro. So he knows, and it like I'm filming right now, this second, bro. Like he know, like, bro, TJ, this is proof, you know, bro. Just don't bell him, yeah. But we'll just make sure, just count 10 minutes from now. What time is it now? 7 minutes to 2, and we'll see where I go on in 10 minutes. Alright, say nothing. I'll give you a bell. Easy.
Jesus Christ. Fucking hell, man. I'm finished.
You saying no, kiddo? Yo.
I'm vlogging and all that.
What go on, TJ? What and B? Yo, what go on for the timekeeping, no, brother?
Oh, man.
Huh? You know, man's got a couple. You know the timekeeping with KB's hectic on it. I just seen something. Hey. I want to squeeze something. Bad man don't squeeze for nothing. Bad man don't squeeze for nothing. Big man to get beef around you and never was cool. You're a liar.
Bags of boxes, minimal losses. Merlin's round table on the eat with bosses. Now when I leave that booth, no need for an aux. Hear my tunes on radio. Tell the driver eyes on the main road. Girl in the back trying to keep my fellation.
Finally made it. American golf, is it? What are the man them saying for couple? What is it? Work off points or something? This?
I'm surely off like where you actually land the thing on it.
Yeah. I'm on it, man. I'm active, man. I'm looking to get it popping in there, bro. I've never been golfing before, you know.
There's 2 different ones, bro. There's a big thing on the small thing. I don't know.
TJ's dressing up like he's going bar though. Check him stepping out though. Fucking hell. Yeah, this is looking nice, this though. I'm not even gonna lie. Looking alright in there. So little one for you there. We thought we was gonna be in the big league when we booked it. Thought we were gonna be on that ledge where you see in the last clip. We thought we were gonna be whacking the fuck out of the balls. You get me? But nah, when we booked it, what we didn't know is we booked the wrong one. Made all that journey, but now we're in the baby league. You're gonna see dinosaurs and that, waterfalls, the lot. But hear this, it don't matter. We still made it lit. I saw things. Okay. Little man, no, I was trying to be on there, me. Dino Falls. Nah, this is looking. Yo, this is looking quiet. Nah. It's not that, bro. That's why they gave. But that's why they gave us the one ball. It's quiet, yeah. But we'll just have to get it done, innit? We'll just have to get it done, innit? Let me show you something. Oh, yeah, so yeah, hot this. Oh, go on, killer. fucking what you saying? Hey, go ahead, nigga. Oh, nah, that
Bro, you're
that ain't
trash,
shit.
bro.
That
Bro,
ain't
you're
shit.
trash, bro.
You hit that shit way too hard. Way too hard.
Ras. Can you imagine that the sun's licking man proper out here, you know.
Fucking mac. Man, I'm out here fucking moaning, bro. I'm sick of moaning. What do you mean I shouldn't have had my point? Go on. nah, because you had a bad
the biggest pussy all about, bro. Alright, bro.
Nah,
Get me, bro. You're on half a point. You're
Nah,
not.
let me just explain it rapid.
That's like going to childish me, bro.
I know. Let me just, nah, come here, chit chat. We were supposed to go one after each other, yeah?
Right, then.
Yeah, alright, fair enough. But obviously, we agreed, check. I hit my button.
It's irrelevant.
At the second course now, check Dino though. Man like T-Rex. Nah, TJ trash as hell. It's about 2.5 yards. Let me show you something. Come here, bro. Come here. I'm gonna try and show you a little thing. You see how we gotta go bend it round there, yeah? I'm gonna show you now, yeah? Let me show you how it's done, bro. Show me how it's done, yeah? Oh my days! Oh my days! Ooh.
But he failed 9,000 times. You get it? We all fail. It's okay.
Yeah, one on.
With a GoPro in hand, yeah?
Say this.
Yes, killer. Is that what kid is saying? Okay, next course. This one's looking dirty though. Man, I film when we get to this one. That's hard.
This is my house, call me landlord. More than a bag of sand, make it sandstorm. Get the shine dirty like grand porn. Then an Optimus Prime, make it transform.
I'll just turn this off. Yo.
Nah, KV, you quiet, bro, but move on.
That one there was a violation. Personally, I wouldn't have it.
Check the cave. Yeah. Man, I'm inside the cave. Yo! It's dropping water in that on you. Yo, it drops bro, it drops liquid and that in there, you know. It drops liquid on you and that. Smoke and that. Nah, it stinks in there.
Yeah, but it's not in the water.
Hold up. Did up the golfing thing. And it's back to Fango and Moss and that, you get me? See the man them. Nice little golfing sesh. Now man are active, you get me? Man's got a flipping, what was I gonna say now? A debut in the car though.
Yeah, come on.
Come on!
Charlton, innit?
Man! Wesley now! Bro, if you know about Wesley, fucking hell. You know the snaps and them things there, but listen. Gonna go pick up Jack now. For real, bro.
My mum's back.
Charlton in the gaff, mate. But listen, gonna go pick up Jack now.
You getting it now, yeah?
Yeah, may as well fly there now. I know flipping TJ and Tyrone and that are active. Don't know where them man are, just flying about somewhere at the moment, so I'm gonna go check them. And then yeah, we're active. I'll shout you when Jack's active.
Now these niggas ain't on what I'm on. Yeah, they think cause they trap that they're on what I'm on. In a trap with a pack, get it gone. On the way to a cell, see her up, make him run. That's just another day in the life.
I'm 22, it don't surprise me. Oh, but where we are, bro. These kids are bombing up trams and that.
Yo, we're coming round now.
Tell them 2 seconds away.
It's literally 2 seconds away, so jump out. That brother's there.
That Ucker's Badgers
Ucker's Badgers, welcome to them. Welcome to you, good long.
Oh, check that.
I gave a little turn, you know. Man's got to jump out and that. About to go meet TJ now. So, long story short, we're supposed to go to this gaff called Where the Flow. Right, let me turn this down a hot
In
second.
a place called Stockport, get that window up as well.
Yeah, yeah. Is that where it is, Stockport?
Hyde.
Hyde, that's
Not
it.
far, not far. About
Yeah,
15-minute drive.
So we're supposed to go there. We're still gonna go. We've not
Yeah,
really.
but check this, I didn't tell you, bro. I went there yesterday, yeah, and I was with a couple of kids, and 5 all come past in a big tranny van, yeah?
Yeah.
And it's like, hiya, mate, what are you doing here? I said, oh, I'll just come to see the view, mate. And then he's gone, what are you doing around here? Obviously, I was going to see the view.
Yeah.
Said, where are you from? When obviously I just made myself sound out like I'm up it, like South Manchester, and then the guy was like, oh, whereabouts in South Manchester? Then I went Cheltenham. Said, oh, you got 50 minutes to get home, mate. Because it was 10 past 11, innit? And obviously a midnight curfew and all that because of that impending coronavirus.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, literally. So it might even be locked off here, so we might have to go on.
We'll see, but regardless, Monday Night Active, there should be 3 whips deep again. I didn't vlog the last one because obviously there was just not really that much footage to get. But gonna go link TJ now and see what he's doing. Obviously it's supposed to be, so tonight it should be like me, Weze, Jack in the back, KB's driving, T's driving as well with
doing up Lewis Hamilton, mate.
Lewis Hamilton on the M-way again in the 1.2. What is it? A 1.2?
It's a 1.25.
125.
Oh, it's a bit nippy for what it
Yeah,
is.
it is. I can't even lie. But yeah, man will shout he's at TJ.
Yeah, you know I get it gone. I'm trapped in the trap, got my eyes looking black, got the feds on my back. I still
See what we're working with tonight, G.
1 second, hang a shit in there,
It's a minor.
Does some mackiness, bro.
Yeah, you know what? Yeah, we could do a few with these.
Obviously, they're going to Fab said.
Yeah, we need some more.
But you're the code Fab as well.
Yo,
it's happening. It's happening.
We got Fab for Fab. But yo, listen. Okay, so we got these.
Do some kick-ups, cause this.
Go on.
Shoulder tap.
So we're rapid, yeah. Go on. Hey, can you do an around the world? Right, so we got some works out here.
Nah, check me.
You wanted to finger? Are these the ones you were talking about? These ones here? Yeah, they're hard than the Nemesis.
£80 from the factory, bro. My eyes nearly watered, bro. Thought I was getting it for about a score, bro.
But nah, them fireworks are alright, yeah. We're gonna try and grab some more, innit? See what I go on. I'm saying get some more. And see what happens. Go to that Werner Flow. Supposed to meet them flipping. Where are them kids from last time, Salford?
Yeah, Salford Edge, Jordan McCannard.
Yeah, Bear Jordans though. Gonna go and link up with them, man. Hopefully. Is it?
What time, bro?
Yo, what, MT? Yo, come here, bro. Yo.
What, bro?
What, MV? What you telling them today? Camera on, man.
You know me, bro. Just out here, innit?
Just out here, though. That's what I'm saying.
What the lads saying?
Bro, I'm chilling, bro. Just waiting. Who we waiting for them?
KB, you know what I mean, man?
KB.
Get me. £2.
You moving like SL, bro. What you saying? Bonfire night ride outs.
Where's the works, though? Where's the works, though? Fuck no, get me away, cause something like you up.
Nah, fuck that, bro. We're not lighting no works now.
I haven't got any work.
Who? Them man?
Nah,
Yeah, he's fronting him.
I was just fronting.
Is he got work?
For
Let
us.
me see the works.
Has he bollocks? Nah, he has.
Raz, that's a big thing, that's the...
Is it though? Can you light outside here though?
Nah, that's the one that you got to put on the ground and that, though, innit?
This is what I like. Yo, nigga, don't see man run.
Huh? Nah, don't fuck about
Don't do it.
On my mother's life, stop fucking about it. Cause I swear to God, bro. Yo, chill, bro, cause Fab already cracked my phone last week, bro. Fab, yo, that's what I used to say, bro. Look, Fab cracked the phone, yeah. Well, it was me, but he cracked it, bro, cause he was gonna light up that thing, bro. Yeah, bro, when Fab lit off that firework and threw it at us, bro. Man was running away. I just listen. You gotta check the maddest thing. Man, listen.
So fast in my life.
Listen. Check this, yeah.
Nah, real talk. Don't like me, not cause
man literally, bro. Fab lit the firework and I seen him throw it. Bro, I didn't even try to put the phone in my pocket. I just dropped it on purpose. Yeah, just dropped it on purpose and chipped off. Just chipped off, bro. No, gosh. Got story time with Wes.
So, my mate works at since petty station around there, yeah. So, nah, I better not even say it because I've pressed him up into it now.
Cut off.
My man found a card, yeah. I won Monzo or something. My man's that addicted to buying packs in Ultimate Team, yeah. My man's gone on his Microsoft account on his phone, yeah, while he's working behind the till, yeah. Spent $31.99 on packs, bro. Look, obviously hide the card number in it, but check, you can see there, innit? You can see, bro. And then he's put in the message, yeah, use the skids card, nice it packs when I get home. Snap the card and binned it outside. I said, oh, it's linked to your account, bro.
You know what's mad, yeah? I didn't even do anything like that, but it's his RAM main Xbox account, email address and everything.
These kids don't have a clue, innit?
IP though. Where the fuck is KB?
don't notice his life. Listen, where the fuck is KB is a question you'll find yourself.
We've been stood there.
You'll find us saying quite a lot in these in these
little videos and that. But check, yeah, I rang TJ at 23 minutes past 8.
Fuck that! Wait! I've got my fucking thing here.
We've been here waiting 20 minutes, bro.
2041, 2042. Where's KB? But the maddest thing is, yeah, if you'll see on the vlog before, you'll see how late KB actually is, and he doesn't believe it. But now that I've got shit on camera, you're gonna start realising what.
Nah,
wait. Oh, I swear to God, if it's.
They're going 5 miles an hour.
Yeah, check it.
You know, cause it's foggy, right? You know, every light you can't see. So every light you're just thinking, oh, there go KB, there go KB. Nah, it's not even KB.
Yo, what's he did? Is that?
That's not KB.
Bro, what's going on here? Is that? That's yeah, but
we're getting run on that.
Oh shit, KB, I fuck off. Check it.
Them 8 shots are what? They are what, bro? Man's got flares.
Old Trafford flares though.
Flares though. The World War II. They got the World War II fireworks.
Oh, we should have let him back.
Let's go. You know.
Right, enough of the fucking falafel now. We're gonna go, we're in the flow, see what type of bonfires and fireworks and that are there now. Get some good filming footage and that. Supposed to link up with these kids that we linked up with last time. So we'll see them there, nice kids sound, obviously lending man fireworks and that. Honestly, it could be a little 8-shot thing on site and that, but we'll see. We don't really have that much fireworks, so we'll see what the situation is when we get there. But yo,
ST got nicked with 82 boxes, it would have been no prof. He just left King Square with knees and options. He left me with a plug. I wish Ib shipped him for a pumpy, but he got 16 for the mop. And yeah, I got 4 and a 6, but they gave 15 to Oggs. Like, was it?
To wear in the flow. Time to get fucking messy. Nah, not with these ones.
Come on, bro, you do.
Nah, fuck that.
Nah, not with these ones. I'm not shooting these ones. You do one then, you can have one of mine.
Do the rockets you got
with
put
my
2
hands.
for them, me and you.
Yeah, I'll put 2.
Yeah, the rockets that you're on.
How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's only
6. It's 6 or is it 6 or 7 or so?
6.
Better than now, innit? I'm in hospital to get some
real
beer,
Manchester
cigs
boy
and a
business,
bet, bro.
At the end of the day, you already know
Never got
the
it.
life of. You get me? Just some soft money kids, bro. You get me?
To the world. Yo, why you got them fucking gloves on coming like Drizzy?
Bro, because you already know.
Well, like that tea. Like that tea.
But up in the air.
Like that tea.
Imagine this went bang like that, though.
Go on, team.
Be careful, though. Yeah, be careful.
Yeah, be careful.
There you go.
Oh, that's nice, that one. That was alright.
Oh, yeah, both.
Nah, I heard.
Oh, nah, they're
Nah, they're alright, them ones, you know.
up the sky, though.
Yeah, check these out. Way. Yo, into the air, G. Into the air.
Everybody on your body, girl, can walk without it. I did some wrongs up in my life, but I don't talk about it. Pockets never fall out, they be doing what I used to. Get some money, niggas from the past gon' say they know.
Vibes, beer and vibes.
Jeez, colour coordination, beer, jacket and all that. Hey.
Young white lad from Charlton.
What is this?
Young white lad from Charlton.
I was going to say young white lad
From Charlton, though. I want you to do a Mazda, bro.
Not towards him, but just like semi.
Where am I like this? I'm looking to like this over there, like where them whips are.
Go on, then.
Hold this.
If you wanted my card, if I had an 8-shot, I'd run after him, bro. But obviously, it's all on camera and not on the edge. Innocent white civilians. You're holding it upside down, You know that, innit?
I'm holding it upside down, KB. I'm not, man. Honestly.
Yes, you are. Look how Donny's holding it. Go look how he's holding it. Pussy, oh. How much to this booting thing? Go on.
Swear down, bro.
You're
Scary, bro. Scary. Mama holding it. He was holding it the other way around. The guy with your KB.
Because check this here.
Man held the wick upside down, he was gonna light himself up, bro.
So which one? Go on.
Go on. Chat.
I'm saying,
chat to
am I
me.
not? Oh, I don't know. innit?
Yeah, chat, bro. Talk.
Go on. If I'm like that way, me, what I believe, bro, should be going out that way.
Nah, that's what I thought, bro.
Swear down.
Yeah. Don't let these niggas kill you, bro. You're going out
Check him. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at him.
Shake it.
There you go. It's coming out that one.
Nah,
Say
me.
shit that way, blood. Yo, come on, Dick. I don't want to get lit up with this dude, bro.
Yo, he's on his trampoline, bro. Shaking in his dick. Yeah, nah, it's gone that now.
Gangster.
Gone, put that down.
Look at him, looking like a real G.
Over that way.
Looking like a real one, innit?
That is funny, bro. The rocket goes
Jeez, that man's furious. Adrenaline's kicking in, cause of that. Fuck all that.
Yeah? What's that?
Oi, yo.
Think this should stay in the ground?
Hopefully. If not, then it's Pikachu.
You know when set managers not serious about the live thing and it shows.
Yeah, that's going.
Yo!
No, that is funny, bro. Funny, bro.
Yeah, yo! Nah, chill out now, chill out. Chill out.
I don't need no loving, all my brothers doing threes. Show no love in this club, tell it don't get me started. Got him slipping off some women, tell my brother record it. I got some demons that be sliding free falling.
Came bonfire was whatever, it was alright, weren't that great. I thought it was gonna be more like proper and it like a gathering type of thing, but it was just man moving crazy in it. But flipping check, so gonna go back to ends now. Don't know what's gonna go on, but I think we're gonna link up with them. But if not, I don't want the vlog to end now, man, because I've not really done that. Obviously you've seen a couple of fireworks and that, not really done that, but we'll see what happens when we get back anyway.
Cold-hearted like I never really needed love. Trap line opposite a Sonic, had to speed it up.
Man, like, what's, you know, shouting in the building sides, you know.
That's for fucking touching my back box, bro. Like I'm on some back shit here.
Alright, come, let's go meet up with these man and see what I go on it. Okay, now. These man are gonna, I know what these man are running. Oh, fucking, where have you, man, gone? Let's just see, innit? Let's see what I go on.
Grab that.
Put them in the box. So I'll drop up there. Ended up at MacD's, you know. Salford sides. Let's go see what KB is on. Man, like killer, you know. What you saying? What?
Yeah, you see the fucking, that's your mother.
Yo, what? Oh, yeah, chill. Yo. Bonfire thing was good. Nice little link up with the boys and it. Man is packed in now. Like, you can tell by my eyes and that I'm shattered. Like, I'm gonna go home and probably just cake off.
Oh no.
It's not even a corn up thing, man. Don't even know what that. What's up, bro? I don't even know what that is.
Nah, it's for big boys, for big boys.
Oh, I don't even know what that is still. But listen, I'm gonna go home and cake off. I'll catch you at the next one.
Got rips all in my jeans, bank rolls what I'm holding. Rockin' Louis on Louis, the bando got me coping. In the alleyway with the fiends, what you think of the smoking? Spinning there for the slugs, what you think I'm reloading? Speeding round, got my tank on E, fill my Sprite up with the lean. Slang rocks in my early teens.